Do you own a classic Mini? Are you sick and tired of the fuel smell in your garage? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it for less than $30. Let's head to it. First step, open your boot. Next step, locate the fuel vapor line on top of the fuel tank and remove it. Next step, get some fuel vapor line from Super Cheap Auto. Open it up. Next step, cable ties, cut them off. Next step, unravel the hose. Next step, grab the fuel vacuum hose, put it on top of the fuel tank and run it down through the existing hole in the body of the car. With this particular car, I have a fuel pump at the back I need to also run the breather to. I'm going to run a T-piece to there and then run it to the front of the car. Find the existing pipe, bend the tabs back and remove the old pipe from the car. Next step, run the new pipe down through here, rebend the tabs over without squashing the pipe. Next step, cut the pipe at an appropriate length and run a T-piece. Obtain a T-piece from your local auto parts shop. Fit the T-piece to the hose. Run a hose from the T-piece to the other T-piece. Once you've cut it to length, run the pipe underneath the car up to the T-piece. If you haven't already, jack up your car and fit jack stands. Feed the new vapor line through the existing hole. Once the pipe's fitted, pull it through between the body and the subframe. In order to feed the vapor pipe through the subframe and the body, you need to remove this panel. Grab the appropriate tooling and remove it. Once the panel's removed, grab a pair of long range pliers, grab the pipe and then pull it through. Once you pull the pipe through, bend these tabs back, fit the pipe underneath the tabs, bend them back over all the way along and then refit the panel. Locate the vacuum hose and pull it through. If the pipe's too short and doesn't reach to the location which you want, grab yourself a joiner. Fit the joiner to the pipe. Grab more pipe and extend the hose. Use a cable tie to secure the pipe. Use flush cut pliers to cut the cable tie. Route the pipe in the desired location and use cable ties to secure it. Spin the cable ties around for a nice clean finish. Once you've routed the hose in a desirable location, find a vacuum port. Remove the rubber grommet, cut the hose, fit pipe to the vacuum port. And that's how you prevent your shed from smelling like fuel and passing out every time you work on your classic Mini. Now with this modification, you don't need to use hose clamps at all, only because it is vapor, so there is no pressure in there whatsoever, nor is there vacuum, so hose clamps will be fine, but you can use cable ties instead. Thanks for watching, we'll see you right here on the next one.